Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition to uncover 3 miracle fruits that can boost your kidney health. You know I love talking about simple ways to improve your health, and with these 3 superfoods, we're showing your kidneys some love. We'll break down the science behind their benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. So, if you're ready to give your kidneys a delicious health boost, stick around. First up, we have the mighty cranberry, a tiny fruit with a big reputation for promoting kidney health. And you know what? It's totally deserved. One of the biggest ways cranberries help your kidneys is by preventing those pesky urinary tract infections, or UTIs. UTIs happen when bacteria decide to throw a party in your urinary tract, including your kidneys. Cranberries contain these awesome compounds called pro-anthocyanins. Try saying that 3 times fast, that actually prevent the bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. It's like they put up a big keep-out sign for those troublemaking bacteria. This is huge for kidney health because when you prevent UTIs, you're reducing the risk of complications that could potentially harm your kidneys. But that's not all. Cranberries are also bursting with antioxidants like vitamin C, which help fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage cells throughout your body, including your kidneys. Think of antioxidants like little superheroes protecting your cells from harm. Now, how can you enjoy the kidney-boosting benefits of cranberries? Well, you can enjoy them in so many ways. You can drink unsweetened cranberry juice. Just make sure it's low in sugar or snack on dried cranberries. But remember, moderation is key with dried fruits because they can be high in sugar. You can also get creative in the kitchen. Add fresh cranberries to your smoothies, yogurt, or even salads for a tangy twist. However, it's important to note that if you have any pre-existing kidney conditions or are taking medications, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before adding large amounts of cranberries to your diet. They can give you personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Next on our list of kidney-loving fruits are blueberries. These little blue gems are nutritional powerhouses packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that are incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. Let's dive into the specifics. First off, blueberries are rich in a particular type of flavonoid called anthocyanins, which give them their beautiful blue hue. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, which is basically an imbalance between harmful free radicals and your body's ability to fight them off. When oxidative stress hangs around too long, it can lead to cell damage and increase the risk of chronic diseases, including kidney disease. But blueberries don't stop there. They also boast anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a serious issue because it can contribute to a whole host of health problems, and kidney disease is no exception. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you're giving your body an extra dose of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds to help keep those kidneys healthy. Now let's talk about how to enjoy these little blue wonders. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even dried. Just watch out for added sugars in the dried varieties. Add them to your breakfast bowl, blend them into smoothies, or even sprinkle them over salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Chapter 3. An apple a day for healthy kidneys. Last but definitely not least, we have the all-time favorite, the apple. This humble fruit is often overlooked, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Let's break it down. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, and this is incredibly important for your kidneys. See, fiber lends a helping hand to your digestive system, ensuring things move along smoothly. When your digestion is on point, it helps your body eliminate waste products efficiently, which takes some of the burden off your hardworking kidneys. But wait, there's more. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, like vitamin C, which we discussed earlier, as well as quercetin. Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to various health benefits, including reducing the risk of kidney damage. It helps protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, those pesky culprits we talked about earlier. And here's a bonus. Apples can contribute to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for overall kidney health. High blood sugar and high cholesterol can put extra stress on your kidneys, but apples can help keep those levels in check. So, how can you enjoy the kidney-boosting benefits of apples? First and foremost, eat them with the skin on. That's where a lot of the fiber and antioxidants hang out. You can enjoy apples in countless ways. Snack on them whole, slice them into salads, add them to smoothies, bake them into healthy treats, or even make your own unsweetened applesauce. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is essential for your overall health and well-being. By incorporating these delicious fruits into your diet, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to thrive. As always, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized guidance to help you make the best choices for your individual needs.